So why do men lose respect from their wives? Well, I, this is really one of the things that has really irked me since I started this ministry over the last 10 years. Trying to get men to do anything of any kind of meaning unless it's an emergency. So when I first started Catholic Alpha, which is the Catholic Alpha marriage program, Holy Lover marriage program, I thought, oh, I'll just go out there and I'll just tell all the guys, look, man, don't, work on your marriage now. Don't wait till it gets bad. Don't wait till it's so bad that your wife walks out and takes the kids and leaves. Then it didn't work. It didn't work. Only when I started going, hey man, did your wife walk out the door? Did your wife divorce you? Did your wife stop having sex with you? Did your wife file for an annulment? Did she file for a divorce? Did she say she wanted a divorce? All of a sudden, people may want to pay attention. But even then, it's the pain of the wife and the pain of the situation is so bad, it takes a lot of work to fix it. And so that's what I do. I mean, that's why I'm good at what I do. I help men in an impossible situation. Me and the Holy Spirit help men in an impossible situation, get their marriage back in order. But the thing about men is this. I talked to guys today, the last week. I probably had 20 appointments. You know how many showed up? You know how many said, I want to save my marriage, man. On a scale from 1 to 10, it's a 10. I want to fix I'm real committed. Yeah. Set an appointment, they don't show up. Or then they show up and then you go through and you ask them questions, you try to help them and really assist them and show that you can help them. And you say, hey man, what is it going to cost this much? Let's do this. Oh, well, I got to think about it. You got to think about it. Hey man, your wife is having an affair. Your wife has left you. Your wife is living in another place. She's living with her mother or has her own apartment. Your wife's filed for divorce. I mean, your wife is divorced you, okay? And so now all of a sudden, you still want to think about it? This is the thing. We think we have so much time and we don't. We keep putting things off and putting things off as men, and this is why we're weak today. This is why we're weak today. This is why we lose respect from our wives and our children. Because what we do, we say we're going to do something, we just move in our mouth. Oh man, I'm going to show up because I want to save my marriage. Oh yeah, man, I want to join your program because I know it's going to help me. Then I don't show up. Then I don't want to pay the money or some other excuse. I don't want to work that hard, Or I'm gonna get a better job, or I'm gonna go to college, or I'm gonna save the money, and I'm gonna make you feel like a real special woman your whole life. I'm gonna love you, and then you don't do nothing. You don't do nothing. You break your word. We break our word. We don't follow through only with our mouth. But when it comes to action, what do we do? What do we do? We let our wives down. We let God down. We let our children down. And we wonder why the divorce rate is so high. We wonder why women do the things they do. We wonder why women disrespect us. We wonder why women get in our face and disrespect us and call us names. We wonder why our wives go get other men. We wonder why our children can't stand us, don't want to be around us. Because we break our word and we want to play video games and go to the darn golf course. Anything today that has any essence of greatness, we don't want to do it when it comes to God, our wife, and our children. And we wonder why bad things happen in their life. Oh, it's just bad luck. Yeah, your wife going out and get another man's bad luck. Your wife wanting a divorce and don't want you to touch her or kiss her or hold her. That's bad luck, man. No, what it is we are weak today. We have allowed Satan in our homes, Satan in our marriage, Satan in our families. And this is what our problem is. Now look, I'm going to end this video right now because I'm going too long. But if you comment battle mode, if this is hitting you home, comment battle mode below if it's hitting you home, because I'm really, really getting sick and tired of mouth moving and no darn action. And that's what our wives want. That's what our kids want. We think we can just come home, go to work, eat, watch TV, play some video games, and maybe our wife will give us a little sex and, oh, we did a good job that day. No, man, that's your job. That's what you're supposed to do. That's what we're supposed to do as men. That's the foundation of what we're supposed to do. But when that don't, for most women today, that does not work because women have too many outlets today. They don't need you to buy anything for them. They don't need you to support them. They got their own car. They got their own job. They don't need you. They got these divorced women telling them, hey, they got these divorced women telling them, hey, you don't need him. Leave him, girl. Come be with me. See, I turned out okay. Your wife's talking to single women that want to be married, but they can't keep a man happy neither. Divorced women can't keep a man happy. That's what they want you. That's what they want. That's what they want your wife to screw up her marriage and leave you. Because misery loves company. Evil is very strong. Evil is very strong. The women have too many outlets in 2025, and they do not need a man. What they need a man for is love and companionship. And to build a family, a home, a marriage, that's great. But man, we ain't trying to do that. This is how we do God. We take God for granted. We take our wife for granted. And that's why most of us have become losers. And we'll continue to be losers. So again, comment battle mode if this is hitting home. Bam!